Inside secrets of the cruise industry. Shh, know before you go. Number 1. Secret codes. The crew members on a cruise have a secret code that they use to communicate without distressing the passengers. Some examples of these codes are 3030, which is a request for cleanup. This is normally a P.V.I, or public vomiting incident. Alpha is a medical emergency. Adam means a child is missing. Bravo is a fire. Echo means the ship is starting to drift. Kilo is a request for all staff to report to their emergency posts. Operation Rising Star means someone has died. And Oscar means that someone has gone overboard. Number 2. Trickery. Cruise lines want you to spend as much money as possible on their cruise, and they have a variety of sneaky techniques to accomplish this. Some of them include bundling. They offer bundles like an all-inclusive drinks package that you pay months in advance. This way, when you are on the cruise, you feel that you have what industry executives call a fresh wallet, making you more likely to spend money on other things than you would be if you were also paying for your drinks whilst on board. Room key credit cards. Using your room key as a credit card makes things a lot easier for guests, but also studies have shown that people are far more likely to spend when using a credit card than when using cash. Number 3. Subliminal messages. Cruise ships also use subliminal messages to manipulate their passengers for various reasons. Special promotions are organized in different areas of the ship, the idea being to move guests around the ship to avoid or decrease congestion in other areas. If the casino's revenue is low, they'll host an event or raffle on the far side of the slot machines, increasing foot traffic through the area and therefore potential revenue. Spas and restaurants have special offers on port days to encourage you to stay on the ship and spend your money on board, and you are informed of all of these special offers by a daily newscast from your activity manager as she sips on an iced coffee from Starbucks,
which can be found on deck 4 in the Centrum.
Number 4. Cleanliness. Cruise ships are incredibly clean. The kitchens are spotless and common areas are regularly disinfected. However, this isn't so much as to maintain a clean image as it is to control the spread of illness. With thousands of people packed into a confined area, cruise ships are a breeding ground for bacteria and disease, and so cruise lines have to follow strict sanitary protocols. The normal protocol is OPP1, or Outbreak Prevention Plan 1. This consists of audio and visual reminders to passengers to wash their hands at the hand sanitizer stations located at all high traffic junctions. OPP2 is put in place where there is a 6 in 6 passengers taken ill within 6 hours. This protocol includes enforcing mandatory hand sanitization before entering any of the common areas and the quarantining of all inflicted passengers or crew members. OPP3 is when things get serious. Self-service is prohibited, all crew members must help to serve food in the buffets, and all restaurant and guest room linen is put in the red biohazard bags and laundered in a separate special facility on board. Number 5. The small print. Buried within the small print of the contract you sign before setting sail are a number of clauses and conditions that the cruise companies aren't willing to advertise too loudly. We give them permission to track us via our key card, and with the CCTV cameras that we have face recognition software and are located almost everywhere on the ship apart from your cabin and in the bathroom. We also give them permission to search us, our belongings and our cabin. They can also confine us to our cabins or even the ship's prison if the captain deems it necessary. The captain can also disembark us at any port without facilitating our passage home or compensation should he think that we are a danger to security or guilty of a crime. The cruise line can also change your itinerary and even choose to drop ports whenever they see fit, and they don't have to offer compensation unless they themselves define the change a significant one. Which secrets surprise you the most? Comment below before you go.